My name is Dakshinamurthy. Today I am going to teach you the 7 steps for building success. Sir, please wait 1 minute. There are thousands of books already available in the market that teach us how to succeed in the life. But what are you going to teach in a different way? To be frank, I am not going to teach anything. Instead, I am going to give you some practice using My World mobile app. You need to just follow 7 simple practices that I am going to teach now. If you follow this, definitely you can also succeed in your life. Come, let's go inside.
Excellent. Install My World mobile app. If you don't have already My World application installed in your mobile, see the description below. It is having link for mobile application. You can download and install it. For the first time you need to register. It is free only, you can register. You can use 850-850-2000 if you find any difficulty in implementing this application. Fourth practice, money management. So earning money is important, but managing money is more important. So many youngsters are earning a lot of money, but they don't know how to spend it wisely. So what happens? In short span of time, they are going out of money and they face a lot of difficulties. Unfortunately, no schools or colleges teaches us the money management or the accounting principles for all the students. Only the accounting students are learning about the accounting principles. Fortunately, in this modern world, in computer world, there are a number of software that makes the management very easy. For that, we need to understand only basic understanding about the accounts. What are they? First thing, we need to understand about income and expenditure statement. For an individual, this is the important statement. How much is the income and in what way we have spent? What is the balance? That is the income and expenditure statement. Balance sheet. So balance sheet is actually the net weight of our overall experience. In past 10 years, how much is saved in asset? What are the assets I have? What are the liability? What are the loans I have to pay? All these information are coming under balance sheet. In order to prepare the income and expenditure statement and balance sheet, we need to maintain account groups. Each and every spending or income has to be recorded under account groups. I will tell you about account groups in the next slide. Account names. Account names are the actual transaction names. So in modern accounting procedure, we follow the double entry system. That means each transaction must have 2 account names. One is credit and another one is debit. There is only one simple common formula we need to remember. Credit the giver, debit the receiver. Credit to where from the money originates. Debit to where the actually amount is spent or deposited. That's it. So each amount transaction has to be recorded under account names and we follow double entry system. Okay. Account transactions. So very simple transaction is payment or expense. Whenever I make a payment to a person or I make some payment for expense, then payment or expense. When I receive income or receipt, then we can use income or receipt. Journal is a transaction has happened without money, but there is a transaction commodity that is having some value. So in that case, we will use journal to post the entries. I will show you an example so that you can easily understand. Contra. Contra is depositing money to bank or withdrawing money from bank or transferring money from bank to bank. So these transactions has to be recorded under Contra. Then we can see the transactions of a particular bank or cash or expenditure using ledger report. That's it. So these are some of the sample account group names. So income is account group, expenses is account group. Under expenses group, there are a number of expenditures, say housing, transportation, food and groceries, etc. So like this, there are a number of groups. These are predefined. When you create an account name, we need to choose the appropriate account group name. Then account names, these are the actual account name in which we are going to record our expenditures or income. See, personal hygiene, clothing, subscriptions, tuition fees, like this. You can create any number of account names. These are the existing account names for you. Okay, now we will see how this money management is being carried out in My World application. You see here in the bottom there is a button accounts. You click here. These are the options available: payment bar expense, receipt bar income, journal, contra. This is a report. So first we need to create account names. Suppose if you are paying amount to your friend as loan, then you need to create your friend name under account names. Then accounts analysis is income and expenditure analysis. So this is the sample for payment or expense. So first thing, so as I already mentioned, we are following double entry system. We need to choose paid by, how we paid, whether it is cash or bank, that we have to select from here. Paid to, which person or which expense we are making the payment. What is the amount and what is the description. Optionally, you can also capture image or bill image like that in this journal. Okay. Similarly, receipt, how we received. So where from we received. So which person is giving the money, and received by whether it is cash or bank, that we will be selecting here. What is the amount and what is the description. Journal, for example, I received a car from Ramesh. It is a second-hand car. I have not made any payment. So in that case, what I am doing, in debit account I select car. In credit, who is giving? This Ramesh. How much is the value? 2 lakh. Loan received by car. Okay. So this is journal entry. That is actually the amount is not involved directly, but the commodity value is recorded as amount. So in that case we will use journal. Contra, deposit from cash, deposit to SBI savings account. How much? This amount. So this is the account name screen. So you can create any name. Here is the account group. You need to choose any existing account group in order to record this account name. So this is accounts analysis. You can simply click here and you can see what is your income and what is your expenditure so far. Okay, in the next video we will see build relationship. Thank you.